Hi everybody, we're going to be looking at equivalent fractions in maths today, and if you have a look at that word equivalent, you can see the beginning is a bit like another maths word that we already know, equal. And we know in maths that equal means the same. So we're going to be looking at fractions that are the same size as each other. So here's an example. Look, if I draw a chocolate bar and another one the same size down here, I could split this one in half, 2 equal parts, and I could split this one into quarters, 4 equal parts. And if my friend had half and I had 1 2/4, we would both have the same amount. They would be equal because 1/2 and 2/4 are the same. They are equivalent to each other. Now, to find equivalent fractions, we're going to be using the inverse operation that we've been using for the last couple of days. So instead of dividing, we're going to multiply, because multiplication is the inverse of division. It's the opposite. So I'm going to start with my fraction and I'm going to think, what did I do to 1? What did I multiply it by? What did I times it by to get to 2? 1 times 2 equals 2. And just like we did yesterday, whatever we do to the numerator, the top number, we're also going to do to the denominator, the bottom number. So if I multiply 2 by 2, I will also get to 4. So 1/2 and 2/4 are equivalent to each other. They are the same as each other. Let's have a quick look at another one. I want to start with the fraction 3/4. And I know that that's the same as some 12ths. So I've already got my denominator, my bottom number, and that's going to help me work it out. So I'm going to start with 4. I'm going to think, what did I multiply 4 by to get to 12? How many 4s make 12? And again, if you know your times tables, this will really help you. So I know that 4 times 3 makes 12. So whatever I've done to the denominator, the bottom number, I'm going to do to the numerator, the top number as well. And I'm going to say 3 times 3, and that's 9. So 3/4 and 9/12 are the same. They are equivalent to each other. So now you've had a quick practice with me, see if you can have a go at the ones on the worksheet for me.